Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well. I am your math teacher, Mohsin sir. Welcome to our virtual class of Nobility School and College. I am your math teacher, Mohsin sir. I conducted a class. Actually, we completed chapter 8. Now we started chapter 9. Chapter 9, which is about percentage. Now we go to our main class. We learn from chapter 9. The topics will be comparison of quantity. Actually, when we complete this class, we will able to comparison the quantity of several issues. Now we go to our next slides. See that in example, there are in a school there are 20 girls among 50 students in grade 4. That means grade 4 students number is 50 and girls is 20, and 12 girls among 25 students in grade 5. That means in grade 5 students number is 25 and girls number is 12. Discuss in which grade comparatively there are more girls. Now we can start. In short, we can say that grade 4 total students is 50 and girls is 20. Grade 5 total students is 25 and girls is 12. Now we see these topics. Let's The boy's name is Raju. Assume that the boy is Raju. He said that because 20 is larger than 12, 20 is larger than 12, there are more girls in grade 4. You can see that above picture grade 4, grade 5. Grade 4 girls students is 20 and grade 5 girls students is 12. That means Raju said that 20 is larger than 12. That means grade 4 has more girls. On the other hand, assume that she is Meena. She calculates some issues. In fraction, girls in grade 4 is, if we convert 50, 20 and 12, 25 and 12, convert into fraction. She calculated in fraction girls in grade 4 is 20 divided by 50, but girls in grade 5 is 12 divided by 25. As 20 is 50, 20 divided by 50 converted into 100, denominator converted by 100. That means 50 into 2, 20 into 2. 50 into 2 is equal to 100, 20 into 2 is equal to 40. And on the other hand, 12 divided by 25, it also converted by 100. Denominator will be 100. So that 25 into 4, 12 into 4, 25 into 4 is will be 100, and 12 into 4 will be 48. That means into fraction there are 100. Denominator is 100 and numerator is 40 and 48. That means 40 and 48. 48 is larger than 40, so that there are more girls in grade 5. I think say that Meena, who is correct? Raju said that there are more girls in grade 4 and Meena said there are more girls in grade 5. Who is correct? Now we can calculate the following method. What is percentage? Percentage. What is percentage? Actually, it is the definition of percentage. Now we can start the definition of percentage. A ratio. Percentage is a ratio expressed as fraction of 100 is called percentage. That means percentage is a ratio expressed as fraction of 100, or that ratio which denominator will be 100. The sign of percentage. The sign of percentage is that. You can say that. You can see the slide percentage sign. Now we start percentage to fraction. We convert percentage into fraction. Say that 1%. 1% is equal to what? 1% is equal to what? From previous slide we learned the definition of fraction. Here fraction, when percentage convert into fraction, it will or that means it will denominator will be 100. Almost denominator will be 100. That means percentage, when percentage convert into fraction, denominator will be 100. So 1%, that means denominator is 100, and 1% as 1%, then numerator will be 1. On the other hand, 15% will be what? Can you imagine? Please try yourself. 15% will be what? And 170, 137%, what will be? Say that. Next slide. Challenge for you. It's a challenge for you. You can try it to your CW copy. So open your CW copy and keep the challenge. Express the following quantities in fraction. There are four fraction. You can quickly answer these four questions. Very quick, very quick. Try it. It's your HW mission. So when you start your HW, you must write the date of your HW. I check your HW copy. I will check your HW copy when your class conducted is face to face. When our school is running, when our school is running, when I check your HW copy. So please try it, and goodbye, tata. See you next class. Keep on and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.